Alright guys, so you saw us install a Volta rear spoiler on a red Model 3. We're now installing the Volta side skirts on a white Model 3. Oh, there you go. In a white Model 3.
Front lip.
Oh, it's a front lip?
This is a front lip.
Wait, what? Oh, never mind. We're installing a front spoiler on the Model 3. Let me show you. Oh, okay, so I was right. And then side skirts, so we're doing 2 in 1. Okay, my bad. All right, let's go. How's the fitment?
Edge.
Edge?
Right.
Yo, that's flush. That's flush with the edge. Looks good here.
Okay.
Looks good here.
Okay.
Looks good here.
Come look at this edge.
Oh, it's flush. Guys, I know it may be kind of hard to understand what that feels like if you buy a lot of eBay parts. But trust us, it's a really cool feeling when things just fit right. So it is finally installed. I think it looks super aggressive, man. It looks good. This is my favorite part. This is my favorite part right here. This fin, I like it. I love that stuff. I always love super aggressive stuff, and this fin is perfect. I love it. And I know there's probably some of you that are curious to see how much lower this makes the front lip, because I know it's a concern for some of you. So let me do this. I'm gonna measure this distance right here. From this lip to here. I'm gonna measure for you guys, because I'm sure a lot of you are wondering. So you're welcome. Let's do it now. All right, I gotta get a measuring tape. Oh, there it is. So just so you guys have an idea, it is about 2 3/4 lower than this bottom piece here. And just to give you an idea how much it sticks out, we're looking at about 2 1/4 of how much it sticks out. So if you guys were ever concerned or curious to see how much lower and how much further it came out, now you guys know. You're welcome. And if you want this front lip spoiler or the rear spoiler for your car, or the side skirts, or the entire kit, let me know. Hit me up. Comment down below. We'll reach out to you or reach out to us. Looks pretty good, right? It's super aggressive, man. I love the Volta kit. Oh God. So what do you guys think? It's so clean, but yet so aggressive. I like it. I like it a lot. Now we just gotta get the side skirts on and the rest of the kit put on, and then this whole thing will be complete.